Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for any homeowner with a wooden fence, preventing fence rot and decay. Rot and decay can significantly shorten the lifespan of your fence, leading to costly repairs or replacements. But don't worry, we're here to share some simple tips to keep your fence looking great for years to come. First things first, proper installation. Ensure your fence posts are set deep enough in the ground, ideally below the frost line, to avoid moisture buildup around the base. Next, choose the right type of wood. Cedar and redwood are naturally resistant to rot, making them excellent choices for fencing. If you opt for pressure-treated wood, make sure it's dried properly before installation. Third, sealing and staining your fence is crucial. Use a high-quality wood preservative to protect against moisture and UV damage. Apply it every few years for maximum protection. Fourth, regular maintenance is key. Inspect your fence at least once a year for signs of rot or decay. Catching problems early can save you a lot of time and money down the road. Finally, keep vegetation away from your fence. Overgrown plants can trap moisture against the wood, promoting rot. Regularly trim back any bushes or vines. By following these simple steps: proper installation, choosing the right wood, sealing and staining, regular maintenance, and keeping vegetation at bay, you can prevent fence rot and decay effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.